Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, mass of puck M is equal to 250 grams, which is equal to 0.25 kilograms. Initial speed of puck U is equal to 25.120 meters per second. Final speed V is equal to 24.003 meters per second. Distance covered D is equal to 73.7 meters. Using the third equation of motion, we can write v square is equal to u square plus 2ad, and a is equal to v square minus u square by 2d. On substituting the values, 24.003 square minus 25.120 square divided by 2 into 73.7. On solving, we will get the value of A as minus 0.37225 meters per second square. Therefore, for the A part of the question, the net force acting on the puck during the acceleration is F equal to M into A as per Newton's second law, that is 0.25 into minus 0.37225, that is finally, we get the force as minus 0.09306 Newton. For the A part, the answer is force equal to minus 0.09306 Newton. Now, for the B part of the question, using first equation of motion, we can write V is equal to U plus AT, which implies T is equal to V minus U by A. On substituting the values, 24.003 minus 25.120 divided by minus 0.37225. On solving, we will get the value of t as 3 seconds. I hope the solution is clear. Thank you.